Greetings, I am the intpwatcher, and this video is going to prove that they always fly ahead of cold fronts to change the jet stream, causing meteorological blocking and drought on land. The date is 19th of August 2026. It's a Wednesday and there are no planes in the sky. Last night we had the cold front come past, and now you can see that cold front. So this was on Tuesday. The blue line is the cold front, and I'm going to flick it forwards to Wednesday. The cold front has gone past. Okay. Now, very simply, planes cause contrails in cold fronts, as contrails form when hot, humid exhaust from jet engines mixes with cold air, leading to condensation and ice crystal formation. The presence of cold air is actually conductive to contrail formation, especially when humidity levels are high. So what we've got here is a cold front, not a warm front, and there are planes in the sky. But these planes do not have contrails, but they're inside of the cold front. So what on earth's going on here? It's the opposite of what is normal. When we see planes with contrails going from one side of the horizon to the other side of the horizon, that's in the warm front. That's contradictory to what science tells us. It heats up the air beneath it because there's something in the trails which is reflecting heat down into the warm front. These planes should have contrails. None of them have contrails. And this was filmed Wednesday the 19th, when we had a cold front which has already passed. We was in the cold air. It was lovely out. So here's one I filmed. This is the KLC83U. I noticed it had a blue top to it, but you can't really see the blue tint against the sky, and I thought, that's an interesting one. I'll look that up. Where is it? What is it? And it was just flying from Amsterdam to Hull. So what I've got here are a bunch of videos. You can notice that the bottom left one, there's a plane coming in and its contrail will stop. Now, I've heard plenty of things about it goes from a hot area to a cold area, or a cold area to a hot area. The trail just stopped, and you can see a little bit of disruption in the contrail there, and then it carried on with no trails for the rest of its journey. And that's it. Its trail was there and it completely disappeared. Now, on other times I've noticed planes doing full circles in the sky. I have lots and lots of these videos. I'm not going to show you them all, can't be bothered to pass through them all. There are so many videos of these planes just doing full circles in the sky, and you can see it on the internet. You can see it on zoom.earth. Here we have 3 that were just made. What we should be seeing in the skies all the time is this: cumulonimbus clouds with a blue sky behind them. No layer above them, no planes. But what we're seeing ahead of the cold fronts is this. It's a massive difference, and it's now predictable, and it will keep happening, and you can predict it too. So here we have the last few days from the 17th of August through to the 19th of August. So we've got 2 days. We got our first proper rain here in England for the last 2 months, and we are known for having rubbish weather. It rains all the time. But what you want to take note of is that there are no planes spraying ahead of this cold front, in this warm front. There are no planes, and that's why we're getting rain. So I've got to show you videos where they're not spraying ahead of the cold front, and I'm going to show you videos where they are spraying ahead of the cold front, and it's a massive difference, and it's predictable. When they say hazy skies on BBC, that means there's going to be planes in the sky, and it's going to be hot, and it's going to be a warm front, and they're going to be spraying ahead of it, and that cold front will arc around England, it'll arc around Europe, and it won't rain. If you don't understand this, just watch the video over and over again and learn about it yourselves, because it's very important. Thank you very much.
Oh yeah.